Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a provider and preparing payment. Choose a burner app, virtual SIM, or VoIP service based on required features. Once chosen, create an account and verify identity or payment. Many services accept cards, PayPal, or crypto. Make sure to select the number duration, 1 hour, 7 days, or 30 days, because billing and renewal options vary. While you set preferences, enable any required permissions, like SMS and microphone, so the number works for calls and verifications. Next, acquire the number and configure how it will behave. Pick an area code and choose whether you need SMS capability or toll-free calls, then enable call forwarding and set voicemail greetings so messages aren't lost. Configure SMS handling and app notifications to ensure verification codes arrive where you expect them. Once done, link the temporary number to the specific services, authentication, messaging apps, or delivery accounts, and confirm an incoming test SMS or call to verify routing. And to finish, use the number for signups and two-factor checks, and monitor its expiry so you can renew or release it before auto charges. Make sure to export or screenshot important SMS or call logs within 24 to 48 hours, since many providers purge history. If something goes wrong, first check app permissions, network access, and routing settings, then reset forwarding or request a new number. If issues persist, contact provider support and provide account and transaction details to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.